Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to restart the phone in Vivo. So friends, before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. So first of all, you have to press this button. You have to press this button for a little bit longer. So it's come now. You see this one, power off, emergency power off and restart. You see here, so you have to press this restart. You have to press it this one. So you have to wait it for a minute. So it is done now. So friends, if you like this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.